Greetings everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to resolve the issue of needing an update to use cellular data on your iPhone, if you've encountered difficulties activating your mobile data and received the update required. Message, I'll guide you through the steps to fix it. To begin, close any open applications on your device. Next, navigate to your Settings app. Toggle airplane mode on for about 30 to 40 seconds, then switch it off again. Check if your cellular data is functioning. If the issue persists, proceed to disable and then re-enable Wi-Fi in your settings. Ensure your carrier settings are up to date by navigating to General About in your Settings menu. Check for software updates by tapping on General Software Update. Install any available updates to ensure you're running the latest iOS version. If you're still experiencing difficulties, verify that your device's date and time settings are accurate. Enable the option for automatic date and time settings if it's disabled. Further troubleshooting involves restarting your iPhone's network settings. To do this, navigate to General Reset Network Settings. Finally, restart your device. With these steps, your issue should hopefully be resolved. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching.